What are you doing?
Thinking. It's bright.
Thinking.
No, but yeah, can't you smell the burning?
A little bit. I can.
But as you guys knew before, the mirror was like way wobblier. So I found a longer bolt and I'll measure it and cut the excess off, so we're not sticking out that much.
Yeah.
But there's still a little wobble in it, but I'm pretty sure that's from the actual peg.
Yeah.
Because it's in there here on the. If we want to go show them the AC real quick.
Yeah, exactly. Da-da-da, da-da-da. So, we were able to use one of the factory mounting holes, as you can tell, for holding up the air conditioning. And I have to drill a hole for the other side, because this unit is just a couple of inches bigger, but it's also a newer model, 134, bigger unit inside, so it's going to blow out some really, really good air conditioning. And we're kind of liking that. So we'll get everything set up, get everything taken care of, get everything mounted, start running the lines. I got to run the drip, but we got to put the car up in the air first so I can find the hole in the floorboard to run the drip line down, because I'm not cutting and going, oh wait, it's there, oh no wait, no, we're not doing that. So, but Xander's got the mirror, so we'll go back to the mirror for a second.
That play is actually coming from that.
Oh damn, I wonder if we can put a larger.
I don't even.
Oops, sorry guys. Yeah, somebody wedged something in there, so I'm wondering if we try and twist it or turn it and see if we can't get a better lock to hold that in place, because somebody made that and wedged it in.
Yeah, but that's where your play is coming from.
Yep, but we'll get it, because that's what we do here at our job. We make things better. But on that note, real quick, can we just say how beautiful that view is? What do we say, Xander?
Later.